What's up everyone, welcome back to another video on Git tips, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Steam connection problem error code E20. For some users, when they're trying to launch the game, they're getting the error code E20 and they're not able to launch the Steam. If that is the case, how we can fix this? So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to, before proceeding, first, if you're not using any VPN, just use one VPN, or you should be having a VPN. So use VPN. You have to use, for example, I'm having Proton VPN. So you have to use your VPN. Then after using your VPN or connecting your VPN, you have to go to the Steam. Now just go over here at the top left, click over here. There is an option called go offline. Click on this one, go offline. Now we need to close the Steam. Now after a few seconds, once you get into the Proton VPN once again, or any VPN that you're using, just disconnect the VPN. Once the VPN is disconnected, you should go back to the Steam once again. Go over here at the top. This time you will be having an option to go online. So just go online. Now the Steam is back. Then launch the Steam and you'll not be having the trouble. Next step is all about, after trying with this, if it's not working, we have to move to the next one. That is, just go over here, search for the Windows security. Click on this one, and right now navigate to virus and threat protection. Click on the firewall and network protection. Now go over here, click on advanced settings. Now just go for yes. Now that is going to take you to this particular page. Okay, so right now click on inbound rules, and if you scroll down, you will be able to find Steam. So right now, as you can see, we have Steam here, Steam. There are two Steams. So what you need to do is you have to do the same step for both Steam. So the first one, go to inbound rule, select the Steam, go for disable rule. Similarly, go to the inbound rule, select the second Steam and go for disable rule. So for some users, you will be having multiple Steam, 3, 4 or 5 might be there. So whatever the Steam you are having, just do the same step, go to inbound rule, select Steam, go to disable rule. Do this for all these available Steams. Now you have to close this, and afterwards you just need to launch the Steam, and the Steam will be working fine and you'll not be having the trouble with E20. I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.